What's up, guys? Second Jelly here with another video. What's Psycho Dad? He's throwing all this crap off here. Jesus Christ. Oh, crap. God. I didn't do anything. God. Dad, you're hitting the truck. How much money will you get out of this metal right here? How much money will you get out of the junk? Dang it.
Not like aluminum.
How much money will you get out of aluminum?
Oh, I get a lot of aluminum.
Think we're going to afford to control all that aluminum?
No, I'm going to pull that thing for you, no.
Well, you can't take a junk into you too?
I just save the money.
Are you going to save it for me?
I'll have to save the money.
Why, buy me another one? Mom said you never bought me enough and you choose cigarettes instead of my crap. You do too, buy me stuff, don't you, Dad? Huh? Yeah. When something needs replaced, you place it, don't you, Dad? Huh? I know you do, though. Psycho Dad over there. I don't know, Psycho Dad's one over there. God dang, ouch, ouch. Barefooted. I gotta go get my shoes. How much money do you get out of the cans? Huh? Hey, Daddy. How much money do you think you get out of those cans?
No. Depends how much they are.
Yeah.
This fucking rip going down the road.
What? What happened?
Like here's a rip.
What a rip?
Yeah.
What a rip for it?
It was about the truck. I lost a bunch of fucking cans.
Did you? Where do you go at?
Far down on the main road. I'm not picking them up. Fuck them.
Someone else pick them up, won't they, Dad? Huh? Huh? Papa ever comes back here to pick them up, won't he? Papa will pick them up if I saw him. Wouldn't he?
Trash barrel full.
Stinks.
Huh?
Stinks.
I know it stinks. Good damn. It's supposed to stink. It's plastic. Plastic.
Even more plastic. It fell off.
Huh?
It fell off.
Old topaz.
Huh?
Old topaz.
Aw.
That's a pretty cat right there.
He's pretty old, ain't he?
Yeah, he's old.
What about Frixie? Is he old? Huh?
Look at him.
Yeah.
waiting on his master to come to let him in.
Frooks wait for us too, doesn't he?
Ricky, he went up that way somewhere.
No, Frooks wait for us all the time when we're coming home.
Oh yeah, Ricky.
He's out. Ouch. God damn. Whoops. What should I call this video? Huh?
What do you call it?
Psycho Dad putting away his junk?
Yeah.
Huh? Putting away junk? Look at all that stuff, guys. What are you doing with all that stuff in the truck?
It's junk.
You keeping it on there?
Yeah, it's metal. Yeah, I took that to the junkyard.
Huh. Where do you take that aluminum in at?
Ashes.
You get a good bit in it, don't you?
Sometimes we don't.
Oh well. Watch out. What the heck is that? God dang. Put that goddamn trash away.
Huh?
The cans. Hey guys. Whoa. Camera ain't not focusing, but now it is. Yeah, Psycho Dad. I'm hanging out with Psycho Dad today. Right, Dad?
Huh?
I'm hanging out with Psycho Dad today. Huh? Alright, guys. What the heck was that? Ah, man, I gotta put my glasses back on, guys. I don't know. Crap, I forgot my glasses. So, look at all this.
These deer's always smashed.
Huh?
These deer's smashed.
How?
They must smash them.
I'll call this psychedelic putting away cans and junk. Huh? That's what I'm gonna call it. Hey, you threw it. Ouch. What? Huh. Huh. Now what are you doing? You pick that up?
Yeah.
Yep. The heck you throwing off? What is that crap? Found it. Fell apart. The heck?
Now I gotta pick all this shit back up.
I don't know what that is. It just fell apart wherever it was.
It's a motor.
Where the heck's the motor from?
I don't know what they took it apart for. They shouldn't have left it alone. That thing don't need a part.
What?
These motors.
The heck was that? What is that thing?
That's my grill.
Is that a new one?
Yeah, I'm junking that little one. That big one, that little one works.
Why you junking the other one for? Huh? Why are you junking a big one for? God dang.
We don't need the big one.
I like the big one.
Need that little one. Because we don't think we fix hot dog and hamburger, and that right there is good enough.
Which one's the big one? Huh? The one with the orange cords on it? You junking that one? Oh my god.
It works, honey.
Well, I think the other one doesn't work. Huh?
What?
What about the other one doesn't work?
Then I'll junk it. I'll junk the other one.
Where the heck do you even get that piece of crap?
Looks like you're right. I think we've got enough work for Kim Hahn to stay on the
Maybe I
payroll.
have some engineering. I didn't eat fucking
Hey,
that.
you just take care of the plans. That's
go, kid.
There's pretty good power out there. So the hell's going on?
Yeah.
Me. It is patently absurd for officers to waste valuable time monitoring the behavior of
Got to save the money.
Oh man, this is 50 minutes long. Holy crap.
Save the money, get in with patrol over there.
Indeed I do. Major venereal disease is just
You are?
disease.
I do.
Doctor, one is dealing with it. Put
Alright.
your snout in the sky. I am a doctor. I'm deeply concerned with human suffering.
I mean, you can't buy cigarettes or anything.
Chooses to socialize with sordid working women. One tends to get
Can you?
Huh?
I'm not.
That means you can't buy cigarettes or anything.
It's not my fault that you want to act like that.
Well, we can't even know. He brought up break.
I'm not gonna break the other one, Dad.
I told him I need patrol if he breaks him.
Alright, turn the video. God. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This. Oh, God, damn, I failed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is my God. Leave a comment below. And subscribe to the channel. Actually, no. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah. Oh, God, ouch. Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to subscribe to my cousin Get Ryan, aka Psycho Pop Tart, and Frontline Gaming. Peace out. Peace out, guys. Second Jelly out. See you guys in another video. Peace out. Sorry, guys. I haven't seen a video for a long time, so I'm not sure though, but see you guys. Peace out.